Best credit card for 2021 doesn't even exist. Well, for the year 2020 and 2021 probably, with the pandemic on and everything, there are fewer and fewer new cards that are actually free for life. So this is why some of the cards that I mentioned in this video are actually returning champions from 2020. But don't worry, I have 2 extra cards on top of that you can consider getting. As a disclaimer for this video, I do not own all of these credit cards that I mentioned, which is why you should go and read the product disclosure sheet and visit the official website of the credit card that you are interested in to get some further understanding and to know those details that you should know as a user of the credit card. What I am saying right here is that I am just giving brief and simple details that I find interesting, and I find this good enough to feature in this video. So as usual, the criteria for the credit card must be number 1, that is actually free for life, or free for life in a way that it is easily attained without much hassle, without much difficulty. And number 2, the salary requirement must be 3,000 ringgit per month or lower. So that way our fresh graduate friends or anyone who just started working can consider these credit cards as part of their credit building utility. 2 credit cards from last year will be returning this year as part of the best credit card, which is one of them, the Maybank 2 cards Gold or Platinum if you earn more than 5,000 ringgit per month, and the Public Bank Quantum Visa and MasterCard Combo. So these 2 sets of cards are still one of the best credit cards for 2021. So what is the newcomers for this year? The first one being the CIMB Cash Rebate Platinum. It is free for life and it has a low salary requirement of only 2,000 ringgit per month. And this is a cashback credit card. I'm focusing more towards cashback because having reward points means you would usually redeem it for travel, which is the best use of the points. But because we can't travel this year or probably next year anyways, you can consider cashback cards to be one of your options for your daily spending. This CIMB card has 2 different sets of cash rebate. One is 5% and one is 2%. 5% for a spending of more than 3,000 ringgit per month, and 2% if you spend anything less than 3,000 ringgit per month. So it's 2,999 ringgit or lower. So what categories are involved for this cashback? It is cinema, petrol, groceries, mobile, and utility. For utility, you have to set a standing instruction. If you do not know what the standing instruction is, it basically means that you are setting auto payment for your utility bills, which is water and electricity. This card also has 0% installment plan for all participating merchants. The next credit card I'm about to highlight is the HSBC Amanah Empower Platinum Credit Card. This is also a cashback card. However, this card is only free for life for the first year. Subsequent year, which is second year onwards, you can get it for free, but you have to swipe or use your credit card at least once a month. So if you are going to use this credit card anyways, once a month is definitely no big deal. It is very easy to achieve and very doable. So I don't see any reason why there is a difficulty to maintain this card completely free for life. It has a salary requirement of 3,000 ringgit per month. It also has 2 different brackets of cashback, which is 1% and 8%. 1% if you spend less than 2,000 ringgit per month on your total credit card bill, and 8% if you spend more than that. So the categories for cashback for this HSBC card is groceries, petrols, and e-wallets. If you spend this card in any other way, like swiping it for dining or entertainment, you get only a 0.2% cash rebate. This is also similar to CIMB. If you spend it elsewhere, you only get a 0.2% rebate. And this HSBC card is capped at 15 ringgit per month per category. So I mentioned here groceries, petrol and e-wallets. These are 3 categories. You are able to get cashback for 15 ringgit each, which is 15, 15, 15, 45 ringgit. This card also have the 0% installment payment plan on all selected and participating merchants. I believe this 0% is quite standard across many credit cards, so don't be surprised if, let's say, you find it elsewhere in other credit cards. So there you have it, 4 credit cards for you to choose from, one from Maybank, one from Public, one from HSBC and one from CIMB. Take a pick on which is your favorite bank or any particular credit card that interests you in this video. And speaking about the returning credit cards from last year, which is the Maybank and the Public Bank, I'll link the last year's video to this video so you can check it out. The features are exactly the same what you get this year and last year with minimal changes. So the info is still relevant and it still applies if you're interested to check these 2 sets of cards out. Hopefully this video helps you out. If you gain something out of it, please feel free to hit the like button and share it to your friends and family who are thinking about applying a credit card. And do subscribe for more contents like this. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.